targeting the UK's audience for your Instagram is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can target the United Kingdom's audience for your Instagram. So suppose you want to post reels or you want to post and you want it to have maximum reach on the United Kingdom's side. So let me tell you first that how Instagram works. So whenever you create a post or you create or upload a reel, what it does is Instagram's algorithm looks at the video or photo you posted, looks at the caption, and try to forward this video or your reel to the consumers who want to watch the same type of content. So if you want it to reach the UK, you need to create your content in the UK style. So you guys can watch the UK's famous creator, how they create, and you can try to copy their style or you can try to mimic their style in order to get the UK's audience. Try to write the caption in English, try to speak in English, try to create the reels, or try to create the content that is more consumed on the UK side. So that's how you guys can target the UK's audience. Hope you guys find this video helpful.